What's up guys, I just picked up Pokemon Sword and Shield Era Lost Origin booster box, 36 bucks. These are usually the best thing to open. They're so much fun. They're loaded with hits, 36 bucks. Let's see what we'll get. It's a little like a display box. Boom, check this out. So we'll display it like this and we'll see which side will give us more hits. We'll start from this side and keep on going. Looks like a reprint. The black corners on the Snorlax on the code card. Okay, we're just gonna go quite quickly as possible because we are have a lot to go through. But let's see what we'll get. Looks like we can put 4 from the back. It's not like those new Paradox safe. We don't even have to flip over the card lineup. Oh, you see? Interesting. Some of these packs have white corners. Interesting. Let's do the best card at the end. Okay, reverse, nothing. Lost Origin has a really valuable card. This says full art, $250 card. I already hit it, so for filling up the set I need to hit some other cards. The second most valuable card is like $90. Again, those cards go up and down in value. I'll look up TCG player. That's cool color right here. Okay, so far nothing except this Snorlax. Okay. Let's see what they will give us. Ooh, nice full art. Nothing behind there. So first hit, let's keep looking. That's funny how the first code card was a little different. I guess they ran out of packs or some. Another holo. Quite satisfying. There you go, another black border card over here. Just never know what you're going to get. It's kind of interesting. Pikachu. Oh, Radiant. We'll take that. And behind it, this is what we need in full art form. But I'll take that. That's like I think $1 card. So we have 3 hits so far. Not bad. I think we should hit at least like 10 to, I don't know, 12 hits, maybe 14 hits. Each set is a little bit different hit rate. Nothing. And as you can see, Lost Origin has only one reverse holo most of the time per pack. So just the different, every different set. Okay, let's go see what we get. Sticky. Nothing. Back to white borders on the code cards. It's just kind of interesting how there's different code cards in them. Ooh, gold one. Box of Disaster. Box of Disaster. We hit gold. This is why I love these big booster boxes, because we get a little bit of everything. Look at that. We already got 4 hits. We're not even halfway through. So let's see what we get. Would be nice hit another $250 card. At the time I hit it, it was 260. It's now 241. It dropped in value a little bit, but again, it might drop, it might go back up. Depends on the pull rate. Maybe they're reprinting them or something, or like pulling them more, not reprinting them, I'm sorry. Maybe they pull a lot more of them in the boxes that have not been opened, like right now. I'll take a holo. That holographic is not even guaranteed every time, so I'm sure they're a little bit more valuable compared to Paradox Saved, because Paradox Saved only have, I mean not only have, every pack has a holographic card. This is only guaranteed reverse holo. What's behind it? Wow, Trainer Waller. So we had 5 hits. I will look up the values later. So we're set to hit, I don't know, 10, 11, 12 hits in that box. Looks like we have like what, 5 more packs over here. I think we're gonna get another 2 hits at least. Let's see if my predictions are right. The more opening stuff, the better I'm getting. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful card right here. Eternatus VMAX. Behind there, wow, Zorak VMAX. Wow, double hit. I forgot that they have double hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, maybe we'll hit 14, 15 hits. I don't know, but sometimes first half is a little bit better than second half on hits, or opposite. Again, this one's our dark borders now. Interesting how it's like mix up a little bit. Okay, let's see. Nothing. How many packs we have? 3 more packs. Will we hit? Look, white borders, promo card, just all over the place today. Okay, 2 more packs and we are halfway. Let's go. Oh my gosh, another hit. That is amazing. Behind there, regular holo. But these holos are so cool. Just different a little bit. So we are at what, 8 hits now? And 1 more pack. Unbelievable. That's a lot of hits. The question is, did we hit anything valuable? But I'll do that at the end of the video. I'll show you all of the hits that I got, and the value of them from the top to bottom. So if somebody kind of getting impatient, don't want to see the whole thing, me doing that, you could just skip to the end and see what I got in the whole box. I understand if you don't have time to watch the whole thing. Okay, we're halfway through. Let me reposition my camera a little bit, get a little bit more comfortable. There's a lot of packs to go through. Again, different code card. Let's see what we got here. 4 from the back. Let's go. Reverse. I don't know, something about that noise is so satisfying. Okay, this is second half. Let's see how we do. Ooh, Machamp full haul. I'll take it. Will the second half will provide 8 hits as well? That'll be a lot of hits. Let's find out. Yeah, there's code cards all over the place. Different ones. That's cool. I'll take it. Ooh, nice. Magnezone V-Star. Beautiful. So we had 9 hits. We'll take that all day. From the back. Let's go. Sticky. Ooh, Radiant. I do not have that one, so I'll take that all day. Another hit. We have 10 hits. Yeah, Radiants are a little hit, but we'll still count them for sure because they're pretty desirable and still hard to pull. Ooh, another hit. Chandelier. I think I have that one, but still 11 hits. That box is full of hits. Still looking for something much more rare. Let's see if we find it, I mean. Okay, let's go. Some of this non-rare cards worth 50 cents, $1, $2, even $5 if they're really popular. So, bulk sometimes has value in it too. Most of them will be like 5 to 10 cents, 3 cents. But items and trainers like this one, $2 trainer, could have some value in it, especially it's a holo. It's probably even better than regular. It's worth looking it up for sure. TCG Player makes it super easy to scan them. Okay, yet another different code card. I don't know what's about. A chomp. Okay. Will we get 8 more hits on this side? Let's find out. So we had 11 hits. Sticky? Nothing. Have still quite a few more packs to go to. Ooh, another Magnezone V. So next to V-Star, we'll take it. 12 hits. Okay, mixing up with code cards still. Let's see what we get. Nothing. Nice, another hit. Wait, did we already got that one? No, this is a V-Star. That's good, I'll take it. We got V and a V-Star. V-Star probably a little better. I don't think I have pulled V-Star before. 13 hits. Okay. Another one. My goodness, how many Magnezone Swiss do we have? Look, I have 2 of them and V-Star, 3 Magnezones. That is pretty crazy. Okay, no wonder they're not that valuable. Just pull rate is too high. Okay, let's keep on going. But I guess we'll count it because now we have 14 hits. Haven't hit the double hit on this side yet. Okay, what's behind there? Just a regular holla, but we'll take it because we got 1, 2, 3, 15 hits now. Yeah, wow, 15 hits. That's a full box of hits for sure. A lot of low value hits, but you know what, we'll count it. Because all it takes is 1 pack sometimes. Okay, what do we, 3 more packs? Will we hit 1 more hit? That way it will be very consistent. 8 hits on both sides. That'd be cool. Again, keep mixing up the code cards right there. Nothing behind there. 2 more packs to go. Okay, 4 from the back. Let's go. And then at the end of the video, after this 1 more pack, I will let you know the value of everything. I'm making a mess right here. Right, you. Okay. And the last pack. See what we're going to get. Last pack magic. And nothing. Okay, 15 hits. Looks like first row was a little bit more hits. I'll take it. Let's see which ones are most valuable. So we didn't hit anything super valuable, just couple of $4 cards. Everything else right here, $2.50. You know, it's funny, this is a $2.50 card, so look out for that. Everything else is a couple dollars each, $1.50. So the opening Lost Origins, not worth it in a sense of like if we don't hit anything valuable, the return drops down so quickly. So it's more like for fun, filling up the binder. That is great. I need a lot of these cards. I will fill up the binder all the way pretty soon.